My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is in response to a question for the Tai Chi form, Tai Chi Sword form, the upward block and the downward cut. So we're going to demonstrate the practical application as well as a two-person drill to enhance your sword fighting capabilities. But before we do that, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe and click the bell to always. Thank you. Have a great day. So moving into our next technique, we're going to work on the block upward and the chop downward. So once again, stage one, until you're comfortable with it, you line up in a neutral stance. The chop downward comes, easy way to start. So remember, I can block either side, right? As he's coming, I can work either side. You can stay on one side or you can alternate sides. It really doesn't matter here. So I'm blocking up. So remember, the key is to keep that blade angled away from me. Follow through with a chop downward. He's coming up, block upward, and chop downward. Nice and simple. From here, we're going to step back and we'll be in our mountain climbing stance. So the same thing, I'm going to sit back, create some space. I'm going to lean forward for my chop. So again, moving from inside to outside, it really doesn't matter which one you work, just become comfortable. The third progression, just like earlier, is when Keith comes in, I'm going to step off the line, step in, attack the angle. I'm going to step off the line and attack the angle. So learning how to attack on different angles and redirecting. Notice I am not slamming this sword. I'm redirecting it. I'm neutralizing it, and then I come in. Inside to outside. So start nice and simple. Very simple technique to work. And we're good. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.